Hi everyone, welcome to MVP Auto Review. Today we're diving into a name that has always carried weight in the performance luxury world, the BMW M6. After a few years of absence, BMW has decided to bring back the M6 for 2026, and this time it's sharper, more powerful, and more advanced than ever. The M6 has always stood as a perfect bridge between grand touring luxury and uncompromising performance, and the 2026 model takes that philosophy to the next level. This isn't just a car for speed, it's a machine built to dominate highways, racetracks, and everything in between, all while cocooning its driver in true BMW luxury. The new BMW M6 sits proudly at the top of the 6 Series lineup, and it returns with a presence that is impossible to ignore. Its design combines the elegance of a long, low coupe with the muscular touches that define every M car. The wide stance, sculpted bodywork, flared arches, and signature kidney grills set the tone, while the aggressive front bumper, carbon fiber roof, and quad exhausts leave no doubt that this is a serious performance machine. Adaptive LED headlights, aerodynamic enhancements, and exclusive M6 badging ensure that it not only looks powerful but carries a refined, commanding aura wherever it goes. Under the hood is where the 2026 M6 truly shines. BMW has equipped it with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, hand-tuned by the engineers at BMW M. This powerplant cranks out an astonishing 700 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful M6 ever produced. Paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission and BM's X-Drive all-wheel drive system, with the option to send all the power to the rear wheels at the push of a button, the M6 delivers both traction and excitement in spades. From a standstill, it rockets to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 200 miles per hour when equipped with the M driver's package. The exhaust note is pure M, deep, throaty, and explosive, with crackles and pops that remind you this is more than just a luxury cruiser. But BMW didn't stop at brute force. The 2026 M6 is loaded with performance technology designed to make it razor-sharp on the road and racetrack. Adaptive M suspension, active anti-roll bars, and a lightweight chassis infused with carbon fiber make the car both responsive and balanced. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, while the active M differential ensures maximum grip through every corner. Multiple drive modes, ranging from comfort to Sport Plus and Track, allow drivers to tailor the car's personality, from relaxed long-distance grand tourer to full-blown performance monster. Step inside, and the M6 cabin blends cutting-edge technology with luxurious craftsmanship. The driver-focused cockpit features BMW's latest curved digital display, combining a fully digital gauge cluster with a large central infotainment screen powered by the newest iDrive system. High-resolution graphics, real-time performance data, and seamless smartphone integration come standard. The interior is trimmed in fine leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, with customizable ambient lighting to set the mood. Heated and ventilated M Sport seats with integrated headrests keep you comfortable and supported, whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a racetrack. Technology doesn't stop with infotainment. The M6 comes equipped with BM's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a hands-free highway driving mode. But true to the M philosophy, the car always prioritizes the driver, keeping its performance edge front and center. For those who want even more exclusivity, BMW offers the M6 Competition Package, which bumps up horsepower, sharpens the suspension tuning, and adds unique styling elements. The 2026 BMW M6 isn't just about speed and luxury, it's about presence and prestige. It's the kind of car that makes a statement every time it arrives, blending the raw thrill of a supercar with the refinement of a luxury coupe. Competitors like the Mercedes-AMG GT63 and Audi RS the 7th of May offer similar levels of performance, but the M6, a blend of iconic BMW design, motorsport heritage, and cutting-edge engineering, makes it a standout in its class. Pricing for the 2026 M6 is expected to start around $130,000, with fully loaded competition models climbing closer to $150,000. For that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying into the history of the M badge, a lineage of high-performance machines that have defined driving excitement for decades. The return of the BMW M6 is proof that the world of high-performance grand tourers is alive and thriving. With its breathtaking power, luxurious cabin, advanced technology, and unmistakable presence, the 2026 M6 delivers the perfect combination of speed and sophistication. It's a car for drivers who want it all: the thrill of performance, the comfort of luxury, and the prestige of an M badge on the grille. That wraps up our look at the 2026 BMW M6, a car that proves once again why BMW's M division is considered one of the greatest in the world. This is the kind of machine that stirs emotions, dominates roads, and redefines what it means to be a modern performance coupe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car reviews and future performance legends.